Well, it's a massive surge of cases that we continue to see in Tamil Nadu here, reporting more and more on a given day. It has therefore now announced another set of a lockdown restriction. In fact, this is further going to be more stringent of what we already have on ground in Tamil Nadu. This is 7 days that starts on the 24th as Tamil Nadu continues to see a surge in cases. The latest of the past 24 hours that has been reported, 36,184 and a death toll of 467. But how different will this be from the already announced lockdown, already effective lockdown that the state has? Our correspondent Muglin is getting us those details here. Muglin, what should people expect here starting Monday onwards? Because there already is an existing lockdown. So what changes now?
Starting Monday, there will be a total or complete lockdown here in the state of Tamil Nadu, except the emergency services. Nothing will be allowed to function. Either it be the emergency commodities or services. Only those things will be allowed. Even the grocery shops and the provision shops also will not be allowed to function starting Monday for next 1 week. Because we have seen in last 11 days, there was a lockdown in place here in Tamil Nadu, but the cases continued to surge. Yesterday, we saw 35,000 cases was reporting here in Tamil Nadu. So now the government have decided to intensify the lockdown in the state. So starting Monday, there will be no grocery shops, no provision shops, but the emergency commodities like the pharmacies or the paper, water or milk distribution will be allowed on from Monday. And more importantly, the private companies, earlier there was some restrictions for the private companies, but they were allowed to function with 50% of the employees capacity. But this time that also will not be allowed. Other than emergency service, nothing will be allowed. And the inter-district travel, if one person has to travel from one district to another, he has to have a valid e-registration, and that too, it will be allowed for only funerals and emergency medical services alone. Because earlier, the government allowed the inter-district transport for marriages and for elderly care or for medical emergencies. But this time, only for funerals and medical emergencies, it will be allowed. And more importantly, the bus transport or any transport between the districts will be completely stopped during next 7 days. So now the government has announced as there will be no shops will be open from Monday. From today, all the shops, either it be the grocery shops or the provision shops, will be allowed to kept open till 9 p.m. and tomorrow also from morning 6 a.m. it will be allowed to open till 9 p.m. So that is for today till 9 p.m. and tomorrow people can go buy the necessary groceries and provisions for next 1 week. And from Monday onwards there will be a total lockdown here in the state of Tamil Nadu, and the government hopes that during the next 1 week total lockdown period the cases will come down. If the situation still not comes under control, then the government might extend the lockdown for another 1 week. Because today, the medical expert committee have strongly recommended to the government that there is a need to implement 2 weeks of complete lockdown, and then only the cases can brought down. But the government have decided to go with only 1 week. So we have to see, based on the trend in the next week, we can expect the government to decide on the future extension.